Today, I'll show you how to create and upload carousels on Pinterest. A carousel on Pinterest is a pin that has more than one image. This is useful if you want to show several products, steps, ideas, outfits, designs, or before and after photos in one post. First, prepare the images you want to use in your carousel. Try to use clear, high-quality images that match the same topic. For example, if your carousel is about outfit ideas, keep all images related to outfits. If it is about a recipe, you can show the ingredients, steps, and final result. Before uploading, make sure the images are the right size for Pinterest. A vertical image usually works best. A common size is 1000 by 1500 pixels or any similar 2:3 ratio. Now open Pinterest in your browser, or open the Pinterest app if the feature is available on your device. Sign into your account. If you are using Pinterest for content or marketing, a business account is usually better because it gives you more tools and analytics. Now click or tap the Create button. Choose Create Pin. On the Upload page, add your first image. If Pinterest allows carousel pins on your account, you should see an option to add more images or slides. Click Add another image, Add slide, or the plus icon. Now upload the rest of the images you want in the carousel. Arrange the images in the correct order. Put the most attractive or important image first, because this is what people will usually see before opening the pin. Next, add a clear title for your carousel pin. Keep the title simple and easy to understand. For example, you can write 5 summer outfit ideas, easy room decor tips, or step-by-step cake recipe. Then write a short description. Explain what people will see in the carousel. You can also add helpful keywords so Pinterest understands your content better. After that, choose the board where you want to save the carousel pin. Pick a board that matches the topic of your carousel. If you have a website or product link, add the destination link. This is where people will go when they click your pin. Before publishing, review everything. Check the image order, title, description, board, and link. When everything looks correct, click Publish. If you do not see the carousel option, your account may not have that feature available. In that case, you can create a similar effect by uploading a single tall image that contains several sections, or by posting multiple related pins to the same board. So, to keep it simple, prepare your images. Go to Create Pin, upload your first image, add more slides if available, write your title and description, choose a board, and publish. And that's how you create and upload carousels on Pinterest. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.